This morning when I woke up, the first thing I did was put on some clothes. After that, I put on my socks and my shoes. And then, because it was cold outside, I decided to put on a coat and a hat. Now what do you think would have been different if I did these things out of order? I'd look kind of silly, wouldn't I? In math, there are problems that need to follow a certain order as well. This order is called the order of operations. When we look at questions like this one, how do we know which one to do first? It's confusing. Well, luckily, there's a handy little acronym that can help us learn what we need to do. And that is, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. And each of the letters at the beginning stand for something. The P is for parentheses, the E is for exponents, the M is for multiply, the D is for divide, A is for add, and S is for subtract. So when we look at problems like this, it becomes easier for us to know what to do. Now to remember our handy little tool, let's write it off to the side. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. So the first thing we need to do is our parentheses. So we add 1 and 2 together and get 3. Our next step is our exponents. We have one, so we need to know what 3 squared is, and that's 9. Then all that's left to do is our multiply. So 9 times 3 gets us 27. It's that simple. All we need to do is remember our order of operations. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. Now I want you to record yourself doing one of these problems with Cam Studio on our computer.